we're in fall, right? For a trip that is less than 24 hours away, and I haven't done nothing for it. Gloss on top, call it a day. Hey y'all, so we're starting the vlog eating. Long time no speak though, hi. So we're gonna do a pack and prep, but I've been gone for the last 2 years, and my last vlog was a cruise, and I feel like if I wanna soft launch YouTube again, we're gonna do another cruise. So this vlog is gonna be a pack and prep. I leave in less than 24 hours, and I'm so excited, but I haven't done nothing. I haven't packed. I have like the outfits kind of together, but nothing is like actually in my suitcase. I'm finishing up my work day. I just got me some lunch. I just got me some food, and then we have to lock in and pack up because we literally leave tomorrow. Every time I say I leave tomorrow, I just get tickled because there's so much stuff that I still have yet to do. Haven't booked my parking for the airport. Don't know if I'm gonna buy Wi-Fi. Like, I really want to not buy Wi-Fi, but in honor of this soft launch, we're going to start working on packing and prepping for this cruise. So if you wanna see how I pack and prep for a Carnival cruise, keep watching. So we're about to start putting stuff in the suitcase. I don't know, normally I'm so much more organized than this, but I don't know, I need to look back on this so I can learn to not allow myself to be in a predicament where I have to wait until the last minute ever again. So with that being said, we have our suitcase here. I have a couple things laid out. Some things I do need to retry on just to make sure like the whole fit is good. Of course, like everything is gonna come together when my faces be. So for tomorrow night, I'm gonna change into this set from, the pants are from Fashion Nova. They're these tropical jeans. They're a size too big, but I like it because it gives kind of like the baggy look. And then my top is this fitted one shoulder bodysuit, and it looks super, super good together. I'm going to try this on and show y'all. So this is the fit, right? So we have this off the shoulder black top. The belt, I know it may seem like a lot. I'm trying to let it cook because I do have a black solid belt, which I know will look great. But with the festiveness of the pants, I'm not mad at the leopard print belt. And then we have the black kitten heels to kind of bring it all together. Whenever I change to be a little bit more comfortable, whether we're going to a comedy show, karaoke, a show, whatever, I have on, so this is what my tabby would look like with the nighttime outfit. Really just carrying a purse to have something to carry my camera in, both my DJI and my Kodak Pix Pro. As well as I'll just keep my sale and sign-in card in there. But whenever I change into some sandals, I just have these from Amazon. I literally just got them in today. I just needed something quick. But yes, we just have these from Amazon. I do like how they have a little platform because my pants are a little long, which is why I love Fashion Nova. Like, I will never have to worry about my pants being too short as long as I'm paying attention to the inseam. But this is tomorrow night's fit. Our nails, we're gonna do our nails tonight. I'm gonna play around with the belt and see, but I'm not mad at the leopard print belt. So tomorrow is Friday, embarkation day, and then the second night is usually elegant night. So me and my friends are wearing green. I have this on my Instagram currently. I wore it in Chicago, but I'm gonna wear this jumpsuit from Fashion Nova, this chartreuse jumpsuit with the black pumps and my black tabby as my accessory. I was very skeptical at first, but I did try it on. I'm gonna try it on again because I need to check on which sandals that I would want to wear once I change out of my heels for the night. But I absolutely love this jumpsuit, the way it fits. It's just everything. Okay, y'all, so this is the green jumpsuit with the black kitten heels and my tabby. It doesn't look bad. I do think when I'm more glammed, I will love it more. Definitely would do silver accessories with this, so like my silver cross necklace, and keep it simple, call it a day, and probably a bracelet somewhere in there. But when I change into more comfortable shoes, I definitely want to show y'all how that is gonna look. So yes, let's go ahead and do that now. This is how the fit looks with the crossbody style of my tabby, and then just changing into these really cute shoes from Target that I got last year. So just keeping it simple as far as fit. And then for Sunday night, which is our last night, this is a 3-day cruise, I'm gonna wear this leopard print jumpsuit. No, 2-piece set. So it's a pants set, denim like, but it's, I don't know, like it's not, they're not jeans, but they have the jean material, but they're much more flowy, but they're not stretchy. I don't know how to explain it. So we're just gonna say jeans with an elastic band, but these leopard pants, and then the matching top is this leopard print vest. I absolutely love the way it fits. I do not need to get it tailored. So this is gonna look really phenomenal with the black accessories. I may or may not do a burgundy lip. The cruise, we're in fall, right? We're in fall, and it's gonna be a little Halloween themed, and that has nothing to do with my outfits, but I'm like, what if we try burgundy lips? So I'm gonna bring my burgundy lipstick and see if I like it. But y'all, my OG combo is dark brown lip liner, gloss on top, call it a day. Those are pretty much my boarding outfit and all of my evening time fits. The 2 fits that I'm still trying to get together are whatever I wear to Celebration Key, and then whatever I wear for Fun Day at Sea. That's all I'm bringing. As far as like outfits, I said I was gonna work out on my last cruise and never did. I said I was gonna work out on my first cruise this year, never did. So I'm gonna bring just one set. This came from TikTok shop. I'm gonna bring just one set, and we're gonna see if I at least go for a walk on the deck and just try to get some steps in. No pressure. When it comes to Celebration Key, we have options. So I do have this black swimsuit. This is the top. These are the bottoms. And then I have these fun pants that were on my last cruise. So I'm like, I could give this vibe, but let me go get the bag. I'll be right back. I have this bag. It's brown. Should that matter? No. I just have an issue with being matchy-matchy. So, but this is my bag. It has my name on it. I got it from Shein. I think it's just so cute and just easy. So should it matter that I feel like it doesn't matter. The bag should not matter. The bag should be the least of my worries. But I think this is just a really cute throw-all bag. My sailing sign-in card, my camera, my beach towel may or may not fit in here. I imagine since it's Carnival's Island, they would have beach towels, but I could be wrong. So we have this bag. And then we have some swimsuit options. So I have this swimsuit that I wore on my first cruise this year. As y'all can see, there is a theme. I am a sucker for leopard print. I don't think that I'm gonna wear, I really don't see myself wearing my, what? Hold on. Do I bring my hat? Do the browns match? Should that even matter is the question. We have some things we need to try on. And then I have this white cover-up set which is cute. All of my swimsuits came from Shein. This came from Shein. Yes, everything came from Shein. So I'm like, or I could do white. I don't think, I could do the white leopard combo. I might try this on to see how this looks. I kind of wish I would have had this in black now. But I do think that the hat and swimsuit kind of go together fine. And then the bag and the hat are a little different in browns, but I feel like because they are all brown, it shouldn't really matter. So I'm about to try on some stuff and we're going to start putting stuff in the suitcase because I still have a final to take before I could really be on vacation mode. So, and this is exactly why I have to try on stuff, because sometimes things that you think look right in your head do not look right on your body. Now that I've tried everything on, I am very pleased with how my lookbook is going to look for the course of this weekend. So I'm about to put on some Chelsea Janae and watch her. She just went to Greece, but I'm gonna let y'all just kind of watch me pack and see me do my thing. So stay tuned. So we have an outfit change going on. I was gonna wear the denim set, but now I'm gonna wear the leopard print and brown to the airport and to the ship because it's gonna be pretty chilly in the morning leaving Charlotte. Here I have my clothes. So in this packing cube, I have all of like my evening time wear, and then on top is my outfit to go home in. I have my cowgirl hat right here, nice and sandwiched up. In this cube, I have my Fun Day at Sea and Celebration Key outfit. Here I have my tabby just on standby. In this cube, I have my pajamas, underwear, belts, bonnet, shower cap, all of that will be here. And then on this side, I have my shoes, my kitten heels, I have my sandals, I have my fanny pack, I have my hair dryer in case I need to diffuse my hair. And then I have kind of like this little baggie of just Q-tips cotton balls, picks, allergy pills, and some band-aids for just in case. And then in this pouch, I have all of like my travel size goodies, as well as my travel toothbrush, toothpaste, wrinkle release spray, and then a couple of my scents. Yeah, and then my eye patches. So yeah, that's what the state of my suitcase is right now. And, oh, y'all, it's been a day, but I did take my final. It's been a day. My hair even is like, girl, go ahead and wrap me up so we could try this again tomorrow. But that is gonna be the end of my pack and prep. I'm gonna do my nails and then I'm going to bed. Love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye.